Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing good today. It's Wednesday. Looks like it's going to be another overcast day out here. So I'm out here by the chicken coop, getting ready to let the girls out for the day here, get everybody fed and stuff. So I haven't done a video on the chickens here in a little while. So I figured I'd come out and show you guys my setup. So this is the chicken run area. Got the feeder in here, and then a set of lay boxes. The hens haven't started laying yet, but pretty soon they will be. So, and here's the coop. So I'm gonna open the door here and get all the girls out for the morning. Got a couple roosters in here too. So everybody's been getting really big and doing good. Hey girls! Get the screen out of the way so everybody can come out. Come on, birds! And get everybody out and into the run here. And just stand back and everybody knows what to do. Seems like there's still a couple more in there. Come here, girl. So I'm gonna oh, hey! No, that wasn't quick enough, and now everybody wants to come out. I gotta get the stick and round them up. Of course, it's the roosters that are out. Come on, boys. Hey. Alright, I'll show you guys how I round them up when they come out like this. Hey, babe, come on, let's go. Round it up for your papa here. No clucking around. Hey, no, get back in there. You, come on, let's do this thing. You too, big boy. Here we go. Now I can get this shut down here and food and water over there for him for the day. Seems like the coop stayed pretty nice in here last night. So get this out of the way here. Just put it right there for a minute. Get the water dish. It looks like we're gonna get some rain here soon, so just trying to hurry things along here. Looks like clean that water out a little bit. There you go. Here's the water dish for everybody. Get him back. Hey, back. Get in there. Come on, girls. Give me some room here to work. So, sorry about that. Just had to get in here with everybody. There's Wopack, one of the roosters. So I'm gonna put their water here. Then move this feeder over. Hey, girls! What the? Okay, everything's alright. I'm in here, I haven't gotten clucked yet. So now we gotta, I'm just gonna grab some feed and throw it in there for him. Got some treats here. Bunch of mealworms. And then some scratch grains. Some of their favorite here. And then I'll fill them up with the pellets too. Hey, back. Come on. Alright, here we go. We'll get everybody feeding on that for a minute. Throw them in some of this stuff. Keep it. Try to get it under there where it's out of the rain. It starts raining on us. Good girls. bunch everywhere in here for them. Just have some stuff to scratch at today. So these girls probably start laying eggs pretty soon, probably another month. Everybody's been doing real good. They all got the routine down. So starting to get a little bit of size on them. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Figured I'd just do a quick update with the birdies. Thanks for watching, you guys. Later.